Hello everyone, welcome to DG Academy. This is the episode 2 of General Science. Here we discuss some important general science questions for competitive exams. So let's start. The first question, the lifespan of RBC is 100 days, 110 days, 120 days, 130 days. So before going to answer, we should know the blood cells are three major types. One is RBC, second is the WBC, and third is platelets. RBC, also known as erythrocytes, and WBC, leukocytes. Leukocytes are colorless due to the lack of hemoglobin. The lifespan of WBC is 13 to 20 days and RBC has 120 days. So the answer is 120 days. The lifespan of WBC, which has discussed, 13 to 20 days. And third question, the normal blood pressure of human blood is 120 by 80 mm Hg. Metal present in hemoglobin is iron. Iron is present in hemoglobin and hemoglobin is responsible for the red color of blood. Function of hemoglobin is destruction bacteria, to check losses of blood, to transport oxygen, or none of this. And the answer is to transport oxygen. Hemoglobin is a protein in our red blood cells that carries oxygen to our body organs, tissues, and transport CO2 from organ and tissues back to lungs. Question 6, hemoglobin is the component of RBC. Method of growing plants without soil is called hydroponics, tissue culture, aquaculture, or pathogenesis. And the answer is hydroponics. Hydroponics is the method for growing crops without soil, where the water serves as the substrate for the growing plants with the addition of fertilizer to supply essential nutrients. Which is necessary for digestion of food? And the answer is enzyme. Which of the following types of light are strongly absorbed by plants? Here we know the photosynthesis occurs between wavelength of 400 nm and 750 nm. Red and blue color wavelength is categories in this. So the answer is blue and red. Question 10, which sugar present in human blood? Glucose, lactose, fructose, and sucrose. And the answer is glucose. Last question, the name of gland that control the function of other endocrine gland. And we should know at first which is endocrine gland. Endocrine gland, these glands secretes the hormones, and exocrine gland secretes enzyme. And the gland which control the function of other endocrine gland is pituitary gland.
For more update, please subscribe my channel.